In this video, you are going to see how to put header only in certain page in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Here you will see I have 3 pages. Suppose I want to add header only in the second page. So let us go to at the end of the first page and click on over here. Then go to layout, go to breaks, and under the section break, let us click on next page. Then again go to at the end of the second page, go to breaks and go to section break and click on next page. Now go to insert, go to header, click on edit header. Now let us write something over here, text here. Now select it, go to home, make it center, bold it, increase the font size. Click on the second page, go to header and footer, and let us choose this option, link to previous. Now select it and delete the header. Now let us go to in the third page. Let us uncheck this option, link to previous. Now let us delete it and let us close the header. And here you will see I have successfully added the header only the certain page. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.